Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys the My Favorite Things treat bag topper kit and some other goodies that I purchased on their new release. So all their kits come in a Ziploc bag. And in this kit, this was $30.99. And when I looked at the price of the topper, I just said it was just more feasible to get the kit, and then plus I had stuff to go with it that I know that will work. So here is the actual treat topper. You guys know I love bag toppers. I do. I wish this has that's the number right there. I wish this had, come on focus, I wish this had layers, but it didn't, so it came with that. And then you got some glassine bags. I mean, some gusseted treat bags. Some flat treat bags. And some glassine envelopes to go with it in this kit. So, I didn't open these up. I just assumed they're all in here. So, that's the glassine envelopes. These are the flat bags. And these are the gusseted bags. So that will make a nice, you can put quite a bit in here. And it's clear, which is great as well. So we got those. And like I said, the glassine envelopes and the flat bags. Flat bags just remind you of, you know, when we do, where they go to that quick? Did I drop them on the floor? Oh. These right here, you know, like when we put our cars in, it just doesn't have any adhesive at the top. And also, you got cardstock, and then they, these are the little samples of what was, trying to turn my lighting. Samples of some of the things that they made with the toppers, which are so totally cute. Most of this stuff is not my style though. Well, you know that is. So I didn't buy any of the other pieces because I don't really do other stuff, which me, I don't have a defined style. I really can't say because I base off how I create, but I wouldn't just buy those. So here are some of the cardstocks that came with it. And MFT ships really quick. So all of that was $30.99, which I thought was a great price. And then, like I said, they ship quick, and then I don't have to wait for my stuff. And I love treat toppers, bag toppers. So I know this was actually be used. I haven't bought a kit from them in quite some time. I used to buy all of them, and I stopped once I noticed that I'm a type of person, once I notice I don't reach for stuff, I stop buying it. So, and then I bought some extra. All right, let me get the little box. So, I bought an extra set of gusseted bags. 2 packs of those because I feel like I would use those the most until I can find them at another source. Somewhere like that. And then I bought another pack of the flat bags. And another pack of the little glassine envelopes. This was free. That die set was free, which was used on the sample. And I purchased this. It says Blessed and Blessings. This die, and I love the font. And of course, you got the little bean. And then I noticed, I hadn't ordered from them in a while, they personalize your package now. So that, I thought that was a nice little touch. But anyway, that's what I purchased from My Favorite Things. I haven't been doing any videos. Because to be honest, I have stuff made and stuff I'm working on. I just do not have the unction to film. So hopefully when I get over that, I made myself do this video, to be honest. Hopefully, you know, it'll fall back up on me. I have been commissioned to make some cards. So I have like 25 cards, the same design to make, and then I have 2 more cards. So I come back and show them and then work on some other things. I'm just trying to get, I guess, get my mojo back flowing, I guess. I don't know, it comes in and out. So you guys know how that go. But anyway, I just want to share that kit. I don't know if it's sold out or not. I didn't check. I know the bag topper, though, was sold separately. And like I said, for what all you got and stuff, I really didn't think it was a bad price instead of me just buying a topper by itself and stuff like that. So you guys have a blessed day. I'll be back with another video. Y'all keep me lifted up in prayer. And that's all I'm going to say about that. All right? And I will lift you up as well. Okay. Bye-bye.